Kulabasolwa abathathu kukhona umnikazi wepulazi lezingulube ongumsolwa wokuqala kuleli cala kanye nezisebenzi zakhe ezimbili. Namhlanje bekulindeleke ukuthi kufakwe izicelo zebheyili kodwa akubange kusenzeka njengoba ummeli womsolwa wokuqala edalule ukuthi akanaso isitatimende esenziwa ikhasimende lakhe engekho.
We put it at a massive disposition if I do not have access to that statement. Effectively, that statement is what, to my understanding, is what gave light to the investigations.
As the state, we are refusing to provide the defense with any statement or anything that forms part of our evidential material.
Ummeli womsolwa wesithathu ucele ukuthi icala lihlehle ngesizathu sokuthi akazange abe nesikhathi sokubonana nekhasimende lakhe. Uphiko oluphenya amacala omphakathi NPA luthu nesiqiniseko sokuthi imindeni izobuthola ubulungiswa.
We're talking about the serious offense here of true murder, which is premeditated because we know that the accused person is the owner of the farm, and usually on those days they receive the food which is being expired.
Ungqongqoshe wezenhlalakahle uSisisi Tolashe usigxekile lesi sigameko.
Even during the dark days of this country, we never had this, we never experienced this. This is so unhuman. It really was not called for. The worst thing, those people that are alleged to have done this don't show any remorse.
Umnyango wezenhlalakahle uthi uzolekelela imindeni ethintekayo ikakhulukazi izingane ezilahlekelwe omama.